So how do I get thousands of followers per day on my Instagram page, as you can see from here? So the answer is Reels. So as we all know that TikTok are changing people's attention. So now people these days, they like to watch video that is under 60 seconds. They are losing interest on this video that is over 10 minutes. So people will jump onto TikTok and they are trying to see this video that is under 60 seconds. So that means YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, they are losing a lot of users. So what do? They will create a feature like YouTube, it's YouTube Short, Instagram, it's Instagram Reels, and Facebook, it's also Facebook Reels. So they are using those new features to compete with TikTok. So as we can see from Instagram Reels, this is the latest feature. Is not new, but this is still the latest feature. You can still use this feature to drive a lot of followers on your page. So what we do is we're gonna post a lot of Reels on our Instagram page, because Instagram are driving a lot of followers that unfollow our page to see our videos. So if they like our video, they will follow our page. So this is really simple. You just post Reels and people will start watching your videos. Instagram will promote your video because they want to compete with TikTok. Remember that. So when people like your video, they will like the video and they will start follow your page. It's just simple as that. So you can see from my result, these are some of the video that you can easily to get million views. These are some of my videos that I got million of views. So if you post Reels on your page, you can easily to get the result like this. So now the next question is how many posts you should post per day? How many Reels you should post on your page per day? So the answer is I post 5 Reels on my page every single day. So I have 2 Instagram pages, so that means I post 10 Reels on my Instagram page. Yes, 10 posts, 10 Reels every single day. So if you can't post those 10 posts, 10 Reels on your page, then just post how many posts that you can consistently to post Reels on your page. But I would say at least 1 Reels per day on your page. If you are a theme page like me, theme page means that we download video from other people's page and give a credit to the original creator and upload on our page. If you are a theme page like me, then I would suggest that you can easily to download this video. It won't take you a lot of time and just re-upload on your page. And you can also upload 5 video on your page. And I know Reels now we can automate the system, so you need to manually post on your Instagram page, but it be worth it. So you're gonna try to post at least 1 per day. If you can't, just post at least 1 per day. And if you are a personal page, you create your own Reels, then just post at least 1 video, 1 Reels per day. So now the next question is, if you are the same as me, the theme page, and where do you download your video, where you can find all these videos are going viral on your page. So let's jump onto my computer. I'm going to show you where you can download this content unlimited. Okay, so you can see the answer is TikTok. So why we choose TikTok? Because TikTok trends are in front of Instagram. Usually TikTok trend on TikTok 1 week ahead of Instagram. So you can download the video from TikTok and you just repost on your page, on your Instagram page. So how do you do that? Is you're gonna go up to the search bar. If you don't have a TikTok account, then just register one, it's free. And you go up to the search bar, you type in the keyword that you want to download. For example, I'm in the basketball niche, so I'll type in basketball. Then you're gonna click on videos. Then you can see there's thousands and thousands of video. You can click load more over here, so you can see a lot of video. So it's already show you here 4.9 million view on this video, 7.5 million views, 6.1 million view on this video. So we can see already these videos are already going viral on TikTok, so there will be a a high chance that will go viral on your page. So it's just simple as that. All you need to do is you can go up to Google and type in download TikTok video and without watermark. This is really important because Instagram, it's already mentioned that they won't promote the video that has TikTok watermark, and this is fair enough. Who is going to promote the other platform? They are compete with TikTok. Of course, they won't promote the video that has a TikTok watermark. So all you need to do is going to type in download without watermark. So you can start download this video and just re-upload on your page. And remember, give the credit to the original creator. Just mention it on your caption. So now I show you where you can download your video, and I show you how many posts, 5 posts or at least 1 post, 1 reels at least every day on your page. So I show you the method and I show you where you can download this video so you can start generate thousands and thousands of followers on your page. So remember this, Instagram Reels, it's like a lottery ticket. So every post, every Reels that you post on your page might go viral. You will never know, maybe your next Reels will go viral and will generate you thousands and thousands of followers. So just keep posting Reels on your page, then I can almost guarantee you that you will definitely to get thousands and thousands of followers, and you can start having this big account, this big Instagram account. Okay, so if you like today's video, you got value out today's video, then give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so later on in the future when I post video like today, then you can get the notification and you can watch the first time. Okay, so be motivate yourself and never give up. I'm Johnson Lin. I will see you in the next video. See you.